Thanks for tuning in. We're excited to show you this desk transformation done using Leggari metallic epoxy. Our kits can also be used to resurface your existing tables, desks, and more. Check it out right here.
What's up everyone, Tyler with Leggari here again. I got Ray with me. We're gonna be showing you how simple it is to use our products. This is gonna be his first countertop surface he's coated. Check it out.
Alright guys, I'm going to do my base coat. I'm doing a black base coat with a black metallic in it. We'll see how it goes. Hey guys, they told me to let this thing self-level here for a little bit. It's been about 10 or 15 minutes. We're gonna do white and chrome. And they told me on the chrome we gotta be really quick because it dries up and chunks out. So what I'm gonna try to do is put these white lines through it and then add some chrome, and then I'm gonna use my hands to kind of get a smooth wood grain finish. So I'm gonna try to do it very uniform. So we'll see how this looks. So what they told me to do is they told me to run my hands when I go all the way through to go all the way to the very end and come back to the very end and not stop before the edge, or it's gonna just pile up around the edges. So let's try this out. Okay guys, we're gonna put the isopropyl on and give it some cells and give it a little bit different look and see what it does. And if you don't like it, we can always change it by running our hands back through it pretty quick. So here we go. Yeah, I don't really like that look. I like the more wood grain look that we had before, so I'm gonna go with that. It's not too late to do it, so.
Thanks for watching the video. If you want more details on this project, check the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell button so you don't miss out on any future projects. Thanks for watching and see you next time.